9:30 with 30 seconds, and he left 2 people. Hey, we don't leave anybody behind. That guy leaves people behind. I just tried to book my Disney shuttle, and it wouldn't let me, and it wouldn't tell me why. But now I know. So from 9:30, he left on the dot with time to spare. 9:30 with 30 seconds, and he left 2 people. I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you. You don't want to watch 36 videos. You want to watch the game. I stayed in all 36 for you, so you don't have to. We're going to go from SpringHill, Flamingo. We'll go to Magic Kingdom Ticket and Transportation Center. You can get to Epcot, or through on the monorail, or you can get to Magic Kingdom on the monorail or the ferry. Still have that last leg to go. The internet gave me fireworks were at 9, and then I looked up again, and it's at 10. So I looked up on Disney's on the app, Disney's app, and fireworks at Magic Kingdom are at 10. So tonight, coming back at 9:30, I can't. It's 10:08 a.m. on Saturday the 8th. I know I can't book for tonight because we're already past the departure date. Flamingo. We want to go to the Magic Kingdom TTC. We want to go in the morning. We'll come back after fireworks this time. So 0 is the rate. Yeah, not the easiest app. You wouldn't even know this is the app to use, really. I guess you could find it on their website, but once you get there is really when you find out, oh, this is the shuttle, this is how it works. You walk up to the desk whenever you check in, and if you check in at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock today, 6 o'clock, you get in late and you try to set the shuttle for tomorrow, you can do that, but when it gets busy in the hotel, when it's full, when you come to a busy season, and it'll be booked. I got to take the monorail back across the Seven Seas to get to the shuttle. This is just not good in so many ways. I'm sorry. I don't want to say terrible. I was in a hurry. I barely made it to the bus. If you have a family, you may not have them when this is over with. How do I end up in these situations after 49 trips? 49? That's ridiculous. I have no idea. Just don't expect things to be perfect. I got on the resort monorail. We don't stop at the Contemporary, and got back 2 minutes off at the TTC, and I made it to C2035 where I didn't even know where that was. Made it. I saw him down at the end. I said, that's got to be my ride. I get down. He cuts the lights out, and 50 steps away, I'm starting to run. I get up there, he opens the door. Where are you going? SpringHill Suites. Get on. I get on, sit down, break my reading glasses. I feel the lens pop out. He takes off. We're still there, and there's 3 other people running behind. They're right there. He could have stopped. He didn't. He kept moving. Made it back. I'm still laughing. I mean, that's 1, 2. That guy's got somewhere to go. He's got a meeting tonight or something. He's got to get home. His wife's mad at him. Oh my goodness. I'm at SpringHill Suites. I can't stop laughing. I feel bad inside. I'm lucky. So from 9:30, he left on the dot with time to spare. 9:30 with 30 seconds, and he left 2 people. Hey, we don't leave anybody behind. That guy leaves people behind. Thank God I have a vehicle to drive in and out when I want to. That was tough. That's a whole lot of pressure. Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.